We get asked this question all the time. What's the real difference between Amazon ads and Google ads? Both are powerful PPC platforms, but they serve different moments in the shopper journey. On Google, people are exploring. They're searching for things like best running shoes or top coffee makers 2025. That's what we call upper funnel intent. Users are researching, not necessarily ready to buy. On Amazon, the intent is different. Shoppers type buy running shoes or order espresso machine. They're not researching, they're ready to purchase. That difference drives the numbers. Average Google Ads conversion rate about 2 to 4%, with e-commerce around 2.8%. Average Amazon ads conversion rate roughly 9 to 11%, more than 3 times higher. Why? Because Amazon ads reach customers at the bottom of the funnel, the point where they're actually deciding what to buy. Amazon also gives advertisers access to first-party shopping data, real insights into what people are browsing, adding to cart, and buying. Google, on the other hand, relies heavily on search intent and third-party data, which are becoming less reliable as cookies phase out. So, which is better? If you're looking to build awareness or drive top-of-funnel discovery, Google Ads is great. But if you want to capture ready-to-buy audiences, track sales, and measure return on ad spend, Amazon Ads has the clear advantage. The best marketers don't choose, they combine both. Google sparks interest, Amazon closes the sale. So next time someone asks, which should I use? Remember, it's not a fight, it's a funnel. Follow at Ad Education Lab for more quick insights on how to grow with Amazon ads.